Hey everyone, it's Sheena from Crafty Mama Studios, here with another 3D Shadowbox tutorial. I've noticed a lack of material out there in little boys' themes, so I put on my thinking cap and came up with a pirate theme. I designed this ocean scene Shadowbox, complete with pirate ship and treasure chest. On my Shadowbox files, I always number the layers at the bottom right-hand corner, so you'll know which layer should go next. This is really helpful to keep the layers in order for assembly, and also when you're cutting, you can match your paper color with the numbers so you don't accidentally cut a layer in the wrong color. With this one having so many shades of brown, if you didn't have those numbers, it could be pretty easy to get them mixed up. Because we start with the back layer when assembling, my Shadowbox files are numbered with the number 1 at the bottom and going up from there. The 2 layers I don't number are the full square for the back and the top border piece. Leaving both of these without numbers just makes the cut go a little faster. I don't use a lot of foam tape when I make my projects. Because I'm not selling them, I try to waste as little as possible. So I'm just putting on enough to hold it all together. For selling purposes, you'll want to scatter the tape all around the project wherever it will give a bit of support. Other than the edges, you don't even need to peel the backing off typically. However, on larger pieces that are just floating upward and aren't attached at the top, it can be helpful to pull the backing off after you've got that layer down to help support it. Quick tip, I like to use the inner circle to line the layers up. It seems to make it a lot easier. I chose to go with all foam tape on this one, but it is 15 layers, so if you do that, you either need to use an extra deep Shadowbox or you can get the thinner foam tape that I use. The link to that is in the description. I use both a Cricut and a silhouette while cutting, so I'm familiar with both and can answer questions if you have any. For the silhouette, I use a custom setting of blade depth 5, force 20, passes 2, and speed 2, and that seems to cut everything through perfectly. For the Cricut, I use the intricate cardstock setting, and that works great as well. And there you have it, an adorable Shadowbox perfect for any sea-loving pirate. Did you know you can sell projects you make with my files? They're great for craft shows. If you have an idea for a Shadowbox that you'd like to see created, leave me a comment and I'll see about adding it to my growing collection. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and make sure to click the bell to be notified when I create new projects.